famous. Girl, you shine like a star on them internet blogs. I can make you famous. Expensive shoes, expensive jewels. I can make you, you know you like that. Girl, don't fight that. You know you like that. Girl, don't fight that. You know you like that. Girl, don't fight that. No gaming. I can make you, you know you like that. Girl, don't fight that. You know you like that. Girl, don't fight that. You know you like that. Girl, don't fight that. No gaming. I can make you famous. Girl, you shine like a star on them internet blogs. I can make you famous. Expensive shoes, expensive jewels. I can make you famous. Just warming up here. Good. Okay, so a lot of times I don't want you looking at the camera, so you can, you know, you holding your jacket, stuff like that. So let's start with that, yeah. So yeah, you can do that and hold your jacket, yeah. Good. Get a little smile, good. Fake laugh. There you go, good. Hold on, just keep doing the same thing. I got you, yeah. So I'm shooting with 2 cameras, so I might tell you to hold that pose a little longer. All right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good. Good. One more. I look this way. There you go. Good shot. All right, relax a little bit. Let's. Oh, that's good right there. 1, 2, 3. Give a little fake smile. Good. Good shot. Hold it right there. Oh, that's good. 1, 2, 3. Good. All right, let's just get you centered up right here. Come down this way. Right now, don't smile. Good. Hold that. I want to get a close up. Good. That same look straight at the camera. Good. It's good. Okay. Just make sure it looks good. All right. Same thing. Nah, that's good. You can look off. You can look off. Good. Hold on. Good. Good shot. All righty. Let's. Good. I wish we had like a coffee cup or something. Okay, let's do. You just hold it right there. Yeah. You ain't gotta just want you to rock. You put your hands in your pocket and just rock like you're walking, and look off that way. There you go. Good. Hold that. Let me. Okay, here we go. Look off. Good. All right. Good job.
right, look back towards this way. Good, good, good. 1, 2, 3. Good shot. Good. Hold that. Good. Oh yeah, perfect. 1, 2, 3. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Good shot. Same thing. Give me a good smile. Good. Put one hand like behind you. So you can like, might be a little weird. Like this, and then one hand like this. You just put it down. Yeah. Good, good. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good shot. Good. Hold it right there. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good. All right, relax. There we go. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. I think we got it on that one. Yeah, we got it. Good, good. Turn your head towards this way a little bit. You can like look like towards that way though. Good, good. 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 You can play with your hair a little bit. Good. Oh yeah, perfect. Good. Hold that. Same thing. Good. One more. Good shot. Let's do. All right, go. Good job. Let's see. Yeah, you can give me like you're walking. Yeah. One more. All right. Let's see. So I'm gonna try to get 10 more with this one, and I'm just shooting with this one randomly. So let's get some on the tree right here. So not necessarily leaning on it, so maybe something like that. Yeah, that's good. Good. 1, 2, 3. Look that way. Good. 1, 2, 3. Hold it right there. Good. Smile. Good. Good. Hold it. Ready to go. Good. I got it. Perfect, 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 perfect.